All right. So now we're back to the Intro to Machine Learning course by Kaggle, and we're on the basic data exploration lesson. We're going to load and understand our data with this one. This is just a little short one. All right, so let's start. So using Pandas to get familiar with our data. The first step in any machine learning project is to familiarize ourselves with the data. We're going to use the Pandas library for this. We know about that. Pandas is the primary tool data scientists use for exploring and manipulating data, it turns out. Most people abbreviate Pandas in their code as PD. We know that. So we do it like this. Import Pandas as PD, as we know. All right. So the most important part of the Pandas library is the DataFrame. The DataFrame holds the type of data we might think of as a table. This is similar to a sheet in Excel or a table in an SQL database. True. Pandas has powerful methods for most things we'll want to do with this type of data. We know that. As an example, we're going to look at data about home prices in Melbourne, Australia. In the hands-on exercises, we're going to apply the same processes, to a new data set which has home prices in Iowa. The example, or the Melbourne data, has the file path this right here, and we load it to we load and explore the data with the following commands. All right, so we've got this Melbourne file path is this string with the file path in it, and then we'll do Melbourne data equals pd.read CSV with this, just like we've been doing. And when we describe it, it gives us the count, the mean, the standard deviation, the min, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile, and the max. All right, let's go over what that stuff means. So for interpreting data description, the results show 8 numbers for each column in our original data set. The first number, the count, shows how many rows have non-missing values. Non-missing values. That many rows. Okay. Pardon me. Missing values arise for many reasons. Pardon me. For example, the size of the 2-bedroom wouldn't be collected when surveying a 1-bedroom house. True. Of the 2nd bedroom. Pardon me. The size of the 2nd bedroom wouldn't be collected. Blah blah blah. We'll come back to the topic of missing data later. All right. The second value is the mean, which is the average. Under that, standard deviation is the standard deviation. STD is the standard deviation, which measures how numerically spread out the values are. This is like a whole topic unto itself. But regardless, to interpret the min, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile, and max values, imagine sorting each column from lowest to highest values, all right? The first or the smallest is the min, of course. If we go a quarter of the way through the list, we'll find a number that is bigger than 25% of the values and smaller than 75% of the values. And that's the 25th percentile value. Now it's 25th percentile, The 50th and 75th percentiles are defined analogously, and the max is the largest number. There we go. All right. So a little bit of statistics. We'll get into this stuff. We'll figure all this stuff soon enough. All right, we'll get it. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the exercise. All right. So now we're on to the exercise to explore our data, and we'll see you next time.